How to switch Instagram business account to creators account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on your bottom icon, which leads you to your profile, you can see the professional dashboard. Now if you want to switch the Instagram business account to creators account, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will lead you to settings and activity. So let's scroll down, and here under for professionals category, you can see the option of business tools and controls. Select on that. As you do that, scroll down and you can see the option of switch account type. Tap on it, and here you can now just tap to switch to business account over here. As we have the business or the creators account, you can just switch it over here. So as you do that, you can just switch to business account to creators account over here. You can just do the vice versa steps as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.